Hey there, hackers and tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered which app is more powerful for hacking and Linux-based operations on your Android device? Is it the lightweight and flexible Termux, or the feature-packed Userland? Today, we're diving deep into both these tools to help you decide which one deserves a spot on your phone. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what these apps actually are. Termux is a popular terminal emulator and Linux environment app for Android. It's compact, easy to set up, and doesn't need root access. You can run commands, install packages, and even set up a complete hacking toolkit. On the other hand, Userland is designed to emulate a full Linux distribution on your phone. You can install distros like Ubuntu, Debian, or Kali Linux and run them in a chroot environment without rooting your device. It's like carrying a mini PC in your pocket. Let's break down Termux. Key features of Termux. 1. Terminal emulator. Provides a command line interface CLI that works like a Linux terminal. Supports various Linux commands, utilities, and scripts. 2. Package management. Termux uses package and app package managers to install software. Popular tools like Python, Ruby, Node, JS, Git, and even hacking tools like Metasploit and Nmap can be installed easily. 3. No root required. Works without rooting your Android device, making it safe and accessible. 4. Customizable environment. You can configure and personalize the terminal with different themes, shell environments like Bash or ZSH, and more. 5. Script automation. Allows users to write and run shell scripts to automate tasks like backups, network scans, or system monitoring. 6. Networking tools. Great for ethical hacking and penetration testing, with tools like Hydra, SQLmap, and Nikto. 7. Programming environment. Supports multiple programming languages like Python, C, Java, and Node.js. Developers can code, compile, and debug directly in Termux. 8. File management. Integrates with Android's file system, enabling users to access and manipulate files. Advantages of Termux. 1. Lightweight. The app is small in size and efficient, running smoothly even on older devices. 2. Portable Linux environment. Perfect for users who want a Linux-like experience on the go. 3. Offline usability. Many tools and scripts can run without an internet connection after installation. 4. Active community support. A large user base ensures access to tutorials, forums, and pre-built scripts for various tasks. Common use cases for Termux. 1. Ethical hacking and penetration testing. Tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and Hydra can be installed for network security testing. 2. Learning Linux. New users can practice Linux commands and scripting without needing a PC. 3. Programming. Ideal for developers looking to code and test programs on the go. 4. Server management. Manage remote servers using SSH secure shell directly from Termux. 5. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks with shell scripts. Now, let's see what makes Userland stand out. Key features of Userland. 1. Run full Linux distros. Supports popular Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, Kali Linux, and more. Provides an authentic Linux environment on Android devices. 2. No root required. Unlike traditional Linux emulation tools, Userland does not require root access, making it safe and easy to use. 3. Graphical user interface GUI. Supports graphical interfaces via VNC or XSDL. You can access desktop environments like XFCE, LXDE, or Mate. 4. Customizable environment. Install and configure Linux tools, applications, and utilities just like you would on a desktop. 5. Wide range of applications. Run Linux-based software like LibreOffice, GIMP, Firefox, or even advanced tools like Wireshark. 6. SSH and VNC access.
Allows remote access to your Userland session via SSH or VNC. How does Userland work? Userland uses a CRUT environment to run Linux on Android. CRUT is a Unix feature that creates a virtualized root directory, isolating the Linux environment from the Android system. This means Userland doesn't directly modify your Android OS but creates a sandboxed environment where Linux operates. Supported Linux distributions. Userland supports several distributions, including Ubuntu, Debian, Kali Linux, Alpine Linux, Arch Linux. Key use cases for Userland. 1. Learning Linux. Perfect for beginners who want hands-on experience with Linux systems. 2. Ethical hacking. Run Kali Linux with tools like Metasploit, Aircrack NG, and Wireshark for penetration testing. 3. Development environment. Set up a coding environment with IDEs, programming languages, and libraries. 4. Desktop experience. Access desktop environments like XFCE, making it feel like a complete PC. 5. Remote work. Connect to remote servers and manage them directly from your phone. Advantages of Userland. 1. Full Linux experience. Offers the ability to run a complete Linux desktop or server environment. 2. Cross-platform compatibility. Supports GUI-based apps that require a full Linux OS. 3. No root access needed. Eliminates the risks associated with rooting your device. 4. Beginner-friendly. Guided setup process for new users. Limitations of Userland. 1. Performance. Resource-intensive compared to lightweight terminal apps like Tmux. Requires a device with good RAM and CPU performance for smooth operation. 2. Storage requirements. Linux distributions can take up significant storage space. 3. Complexity for new users. While it's beginner-friendly, managing Linux environments may still feel overwhelming for some users. 4. Battery usage. Running a full Linux environment can drain your battery quickly. Now, here's the deal. Tmux is faster because it's lightweight and optimized for command line operations. However, it lacks a graphical interface. Userland, while powerful, can be slower and more resource intensive. It's perfect if you need a full Linux experience, but it's overkill for simpler tasks like running hacking scripts or testing tools. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner, or you need quick, lightweight tools for hacking and coding, go for Tmux. But if you're someone who needs a full Linux distro with GUI and advanced features, Userland is the way to go. It ultimately depends on what you want to achieve. Personally, I use Tmux for day-to-day tasks and switch to Userland when I need a full Linux environment. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which app you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more tech and hacking content. See you in the next one. Stay curious, and keep hacking responsibly.